Hi, good morning, everyone. Beta, welcome to day 15. With this, we complete 3 weeks of going with these sessions of DEPR, IES, Indian Economics Service, IAS, Economics Optional, and NET Economics Preparation. Every week, we meet from Monday to Friday at 10:30 a.m. I hope that all of you are finding this time comfortable with me, and we take some past year questions of these exams and we try to go ahead and solve them together, right? Now, before we start with today's session, I would like to go ahead and I would like you to quickly, or just after the session, just go ahead and just type in the answer sheet of IAS Topper 2023. Yeah, the answer sheet of IES Topper 2023. IES का आंसर शीट मिलना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, but IAS you will be able to go ahead and get. Now, just try to see the way that they have written the answers and just try to go ahead, because if you're watching this video, that means you are preparing for these entrance exams. So just go ahead and compare your answer that you are writing with the answer of the topper for the same question and try to see what are the pointers that you are missing. हाँ, तो सिर्फ 2023 का ही क्यों, 22 का भी पेपर निकालो, 21 के भी टॉपर का पेपर निकालो और देखो कि उन लोगों ने आंसर को कैसे लिखा है और वो क्या चीज है जो आप मिस कर रहे हो आंसर में जो उन लोगों ने लिखी है. Comparison with the topper will go ahead and help you understand your weak points, right? ये छोटा सा एक एक्टिविटी है, but I want all of you to go ahead and do this activity. Okay, beta. So now I am going ahead and taking the past year question from DEPR 2016 paper. I got this from the website of RBI. RBI की वेबसाइट पे ना बहुत सारे पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स के DEPR के क्वेश्चंस अवेलेबल हैं which you can go ahead and practice. So earlier RBI had not clearly mentioned कि DEPR का सिलेबस क्या होगा. But very recently, RBI has started telling, especially from 2024 onwards, RBI ने बहुत clearly mention किया है कि DEPR का क्या syllabus है and what exactly you have to go ahead and you have to prepare. So that's the minimum that you have to do. एक proper well-defined syllabus दिया गया है RBI के through, and I hope that all of you will look into that syllabus well. Okay, beta. Let's look into this question. So the question says, write a short note on the problem of lemons market. Now, all of you will know कि what is a lemons market. सबको पता होगा कि जब एक प्रोडक्ट अपनी क्वालिटी से ज्यादा प्राइस में बिकता है, जब आप नहीं आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते हो कि क्या उस प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी अच्छी है या बुरी है, राइट, देन दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ लेमन्स. जैसे व्हेन यू आर इनटू अ सेकंड हैंड कार मार्केट, you don't know whether it is a good quality car or a bad quality car. So when that happens, that is the problem of lemons, right? तो बेटा the lemon, अब हमें लिखना कैसे है इसके आंसर को, ये हम देखते हैं. So in the first paragraph, I have tried to explain कि lemons market होती क्या है. I have tried to explain that. So read it through. The lemons market describes a market failure that occurs when there is asymmetric information. तो जब भी asymmetry of information होगी, information completely available नहीं होगी आपकी, और जैसे for example in case of car market, you have less information, but जो car sell कर रहा है, that person will have more information. So whenever there is asymmetric information or a situation where one party has more information than other, that is what results in lemons problem. Then बेटा, क्योंकि मेरे को एग्जामिनर को ये बताना है कि मुझे ये पता है कि लेमन्स प्रॉब्लम कब स्टार्ट हुई और किसने इसको आइडेंटिफाई किया, इट विल बी अ गुड आइडिया टू राइट अ लाइन ऑन हु गेव दिस प्रॉब्लम. तो सेकंड पैराग्राफ में मैंने यही बताया दैट दिस टर्म वाज कॉइन्ड बाय जॉर्ज एकेरलॉफ in his paper The Market for Lemons, right? And this is the complete paper. It is difficult to remember the name of the paper. इसके पीछे एक अपनी कहानी है that he was writing his PhD paper जिसमें उन्होंने identify किया. But if you find remembering the name of paper difficult, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Just go ahead and remember the name of the person who gave this problem. Okay. अब हम फोकस करेंगे कि वर्ड लेमन क्यों यूज किया जाता है. What is the meaning of the word lemon? So now I have written that lemon refers to good of poor quality that is mixed with the good of high quality. तो अगर हम एक बुरी और अच्छी क्वालिटी के गुड्स को मिक्स करते हैं, if I mix the goods of good and poor quality together, then that is what results in lemon. When buyer do not have information to distinguish high quality goods from low quality good, they may be unwilling to pay a fair price for the goods, leading to the problem of market failure. Right? So this is an example, beta. In the car market, you don't know about the quality of the car. तो ये एक lemon market problem है. And अगर last paragraph में मैंने ये बताया है बहुत short में कि how we can resolve the problem of lemon. And one way of resolving the problem of lemon can be through signaling. It can be through warranties, right? It can be through regulations. It can be through reputation. Let me give you example of each of this. सिग्नलिंग देखो, सिग्नलिंग में क्या होता है ना, जैसे मैं एक एम्प्लॉयर हूं, राइट, या यू आर अ स्टूडेंट. अब शुरू में एवरी इंस्टीट्यूट विल गो अहेड एंड से कि वी विल गिव दिस, वी विल गिव दैट, आई विल डू दिस, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. बट हाउ डू यू आइडेंटिफाई दैट आउट ऑफ द 4, 5, 10 इंस्टीट्यूट्स विच इंस्टीट्यूट यू शुड बी ज्वाइनिंग? तो वहां पे यू मे यूज सम काइंड ऑफ सिग्नलिंग दैट व्हाट इज द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ द फैकल्टी. Did the faculty do masters from a good institute or not? That's the problem of signaling. Okay. Similarly, the second thing that I talked about is reputation. So in reputation again, so beta imagine ki, let's imagine ki I want to buy a second hand car. Now there are some good car vendors जो अब online आ गए हैं through which I can go and buy a second hand car. जैसे I think Spay is one of them. So reputation जिनकी built है, you can go ahead and buy from them, right? Then regulation, government can regulate कि अगर कोई कार 10 years से old है and it's a diesel car, it cannot be sold in the second hand market. So again, you are eliminating the problem of the limits. Then but the next thing can be what's the last point I talked about? So warranty. So you can ask for some warranty. So when you will be asking for warranty, so those people who are not selling good quality product, they will not be willing to give you warranty and they will exit the market, right? Okay. Now let's go to the next question. And this talks about, in real sense, the optimum welfare is, together, a very simple statement. Actual में optimum welfare achieve करना impossible है, right? So in the real sense, optimum welfare is actually a myth. So the correct answer to this question is D. Okay, but a homework question. Scrolling very carefully so that you don't see the answer. Homework question. Read it out. The situation where we observe that people engage in riskier behavior, मतलब वो अच्छे से behave नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो एक risky behavior कर रहे हैं because they are insured. इंश्योरेंस खरीदने के बाद अगर लोग रिस्की बिहेवियर में जाते हैं, इफ पीपल गो इन रिस्की बिहेवियर आफ्टर बाइंग इंश्योरेंस, देन व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड? 4 ऑप्शंस आर गिवन टू यू एंड यू नीड टू टेल द करेक्ट वन. दिस इज अ होमवर्क क्वेश्चन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. बेटा, बिफोर आई एंड द सेशन, many students asked me what is the right time to prepare. If you are preparing for Indian Economics Service or DEPR, then after the first year of your MA Economics, you can start your preparation. For IES, you can also start when you enroll in the first semester of MA Economics, and you can give enough time to your preparation. If you want to go ahead and you want to prepare for IAS Economics Optional, तो graduation के बाद भी आप शुरू कर सकते हो, and you don't really have to give You don't really have to do master's program. बट मेरा सजेशन ये रहता है कि अगर आपको IAS डायरेक्टली एम करना है तो भी आप कहीं पे अपने आप को मास्टर्स के लिए एनरोल करो. The third thing is UGC NET. UGC NET you can give after being in your first year. आप अपने third sem में ही UGC NET Economics का एग्जाम देके क्लियर कर सकते हो. So it will be a good idea if you can again start its preparation from your second semester of masters or the first sem of master itself. Okay. So that is how you can go ahead and prepare for different exams. Okay, beta. Thank you.